Swagbucks crashing during searches is usually caused by app issues, browser problems, outdated software, or blocked permissions that stop the search page from loading correctly. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for Swagbucks search crashes and the steps to get the app or website working again. Start by checking whether Swagbucks is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can create loading problems because older versions may not work correctly with current features. If you are using the Swagbucks app, force close it completely and reopen it. This clears temporary errors that can happen while the app is running. On Android, clear the Swagbucks app cache from your phone settings. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted and cause the app to freeze or close unexpectedly. On iPhone, reinstalling the Swagbucks app can refresh the installation. Before removing the app, make sure you know your login details so you can access your account again. If Swagbucks crashes only when you use search in a browser, try opening it in a different browser. Browser extensions, blocked cookies, or privacy settings can interfere with how websites load. You should also disable ad blockers or strict privacy extensions temporarily when testing Swagbucks. These tools can sometimes block website elements that the search feature needs. Check your internet connection before trying again. A weak or unstable connection can cause pages to fail while loading, especially when the app is trying to connect to Swagbucks servers. If the crash happens after signing in, log out and sign back into your account. This refreshes the account session and can fix temporary login-related issues. Avoid repeatedly refreshing the page or opening many Swagbucks tabs at the same time. Multiple sessions can create extra loading problems. If none of these steps work, check whether the problem happens across different devices. If Swagbucks crashes on every device, the issue may not be on your side, and contacting Swagbucks support is the next step. The main fixes are updating the app, clearing old data, checking browser settings, and refreshing your account session. Start with the quickest fix. Close Swagbucks completely, reopen it, and update the app if the crash continues. If this helped you fix a Swagbucks search problem, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and practical fixes.